Dear students, a warm welcome to all of you. I'm your mentor Stanish Kill. Before we begin our today's tutorial, let me give you some basic instruction. All that we are going to learn today is from this wonderful book Speak English with Stanish Kill. This book is available on all the online platforms and top-notch bookstores. You can find the link of this book in the description area. It is my strong suggestion that after watching each video, please refer to this book for detailed explanation and more examples. Remember, you are not watching a movie or a web series. Follow the golden rule. Don't go for the lunch until you have not digested your breakfast. Clear your concept first. Then only move to another video and accordingly to a new chapter. The book and the video is made in a chronological way, referring to as chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, so on and so forth. Please follow the continuity rule and strictly no overlapping. And for our online course, kindly WhatsApp us at 9136 702 777. I repeat, 9136 702 777. So friends, if you are prepared now with the ground rule, then let's dive into the learning with complete excitement.
Welcome to chapter number 28, practice session. While we have learned the important and relevant grammar, discussed the psychological barrier, now it's time to introspect the right way to practice. There are 4 aspects to language learning: listening, reading, writing, and of course speaking. So let's see them one by one. Listening, which is observation. This is the first and the most important step towards learning any language. A child during its infant stage is a great listener and a meticulous observer. She attentively listens to the front person and meticulously observes the environment. This is how the child learns any language without any grammatical input or diction update. Even you have learned this way. This is such a simple and practical way to learn a language. But while we grow up, we get so filled with our knowledge and logic that we lose our listening and observational skill. Be a good listener, observe things meticulously, and remain a seeker. There are certain do's that I will recommend you to do. Try to be with people who speaks English. This is the most easiest way to learn English. Watch Indian English news channel. Nowadays there are many negative news hovering around. I am certainly not asking you to get into the news thing, but yes, from learning perspective, from pronunciation perspective, from new vocabulary building perspective, and the sentence structure perspective, you should listen English news channel as well as movie every day at least for an hour. I have seen there are very good content available on YouTube pertaining to English talk show. Listen that and it will surely help. I don't recommend Hollywood movies or news because their accent is difficult to understand. Besides, we Indians don't speak in that accent. Moving on. Writing. Develop the habit of writing every day in English on any topic that may excite you. I suggest use a laptop and write in a soft copy format. Nowadays, there are free applications like Microsoft Word, Grammarly, etc. that helps you rectify your mistake. This is one of the best tools to correct and improve your language instantly, free of cost and without any embarrassment. There are certain tips that I'd like to give you. Do's. Decide your topic yourself, but ensure to write at least 500 words within an hour. Use a laptop for writing. After writing, do Grammarly check or use any other grammar check application to check your mistakes. Don't write in a book because then you can't use the free online grammar and writing check assistance. Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp have ruined today's generation English. To convey the whole message in brief and in an instant, one uses emojis, symbols, abbreviation and the newly coined terminologies. This is ruining English. Please ensure to write only correct grammatical English everywhere. Moving on. Reading. The ones, those who does friendship with books are never let down. One common attribute among most of the great people in the world is they all are or were a voracious reader. Reading improves your vocabulary skills, deepens your knowledge and empowers your imaginational power. Certain tips which I like to give you. Do's. Make reading a vital part of your daily routine. Set goal for the number of books to read in a year and chase it religiously. If spirituality excites you, read spiritual books. If science excites you, read scientific books. If stories excite you, then read a novel. But read a book in English on a daily basis. Don't read a book with technical language. Example, maybe a book on share market where technical terms like inflation, deflation, GDP, etc. are mostly used to learn English. Don't read books of a foreign author at the initial stage if the book contains tough words. The idea is that get hand-on the regular words that are used in your day-to-day communication for spoken English. I will strongly suggest you to read my book 7 Days. It's a novel. It's a story of a couple who decide to celebrate their honeymoon in a discreet way for 7 days in a jungle of Nainital and the adventure what happened there. So I don't want to break the suspense. Read it. It's a tight novel and it will not just serve the purpose of English but it will also entertain. You can find a link of this book within the description area. This book is available on Amazon, Flipkart and all the other leading online platforms. And finally, last but not the least, speaking. I will end this video with an inspiring poem by the Nobel Laureate of India, Shri Rabindranath Tagore. Spring has passed, summer has gone, winter is here, and the song that I meant to sing remain unsung, for I have spent my days stringing and unstringing my instrument. The right time to do the right thing is right now. Start speaking. So I wish you all the best. With this, we come to an end of this chapter. For detailed explanation and more examples, please buy my book Speak English with Stanish Skill. This book is available on all the online platforms and top-notch bookstores. If you like the video, then please like, share, comment, follow and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you are updated with all upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye.